Hello everyone! Today, we are exploring the latest version of the advanced Accordion Block plugin. In the latest version, you will get a minimal design with a clean, modern look, activator event with a wide range of customization options, unlimited nested accordion, unlimited styling with custom margin, padding, border radius, color, background, and a highly customizable experience with numerous options. It is fully responsive and SEO friendly. Now let's explore the latest version's features, including the Pro enhancement. QA question and answer style. With this Pro feature, you can display FAQs in a well-organized question and answer format, ensuring easy readability and enhanced user engagement. Instant search. Enable a search bar to allow users to quickly find specific FAQs, making it particularly useful when dealing with a long list of questions. Usage table. This feature lets you see all the accordions used on your site, offering a clear overview of their application. Subheading support. This feature allows you to add unique subheadings to each accordion section, enhancing content organization. It improves user navigation, making it easier for visitors to locate and engage with specific information. Feature icon. This feature allows you to integrate custom icons into your accordion sections, visually representing different categories or themes. It enhances the user experience and enables users to quickly differentiate between various content. Filter tabs by category. This new feature in the latest version allows you to easily filter and display accordion content by assigning custom tags to the parent section. This ensures a more organized, user-friendly, and dynamic browsing experience for your visitors. Pre-built accordion patterns. Are you hesitant to add an accordion or struggling with customization? No more worries. This feature comes with a pre-built accordion pattern. You can just use this pattern in a single click and edit instantly. Here, you will see an icon. Just click on it to explore a variety of pre-built and stylish patterns. Select your preferred pattern to add it to your site, click Add Pattern, and save your changes. Your accordion is now ready with a perfect and beautifully designed layout. You can make it and style it with just one click using this feature. Open all, close all. This functionality allows users to expand or collapse all accordion items simultaneously. It offers convenience, particularly when users wish to view or hide all FAQ items at once. Read More button. This feature allows you to add a Read More button or link, enabling users to reveal the full content within your accordion or FAQ item with a single click. Activator event. This feature enables you to choose the event type that triggers the activation of the accordion. You can select between click and hover interactions. This functionality ensures an interactive experience with click-based actions or a smoother hover-triggered effect. Steps layout. This feature allows you to sequentially open accordions with previously open sections marked as checked. It effectively guides users through a step-by-step process, enhancing their navigation and providing an organized flow of information. Checklist layout. This feature allows you to transform accordions into a checklist format, enabling users to mark completed items. It enhances task management efficiency and provides a clear overview of progress. Voting feedback. You can add voting feedback buttons to each FAQ item, allowing users to rate the content. By reviewing the total vote count, you can gauge the effectiveness and helpfulness of each accordion section. Anchor link. This feature generates unique links for each FAQ item. It's handy for directing users to specific FAQs from external sources or within the same page. Show More button. The Show More button in Filter tabs by category helps keep things neat and easy to browse. Instead of showing everything at once, it lets readers click to see more when they're ready. You can also choose how many items appear per click using the block editor settings. Add label in accordion. Add labels to your accordion to provide clear context and enhance its effectiveness. This improves user experience and boosts engagement on your website.